Hello students, today we will do exercise number 5.1. So the first question is find the complement of each of the following angles. So what is complement? So complement is that angle in which the sum of two angles is 90 degree. So that is called as complementary angle, and the first part is here 20 degree. Measure of this angle is 20 degree. You have to find the complement of this angle. So the complement of this angle is what? 90 डिग्री माइनस 20 डिग्री. ठीक है, अगर दो एंगल्स का सम 90 है और एक के विचों हैगा वो 20 डिग्री, देन व्हाट इज द अदर? यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट 20 फ्रॉम 90 बिकॉज द सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज 90 डिग्री इन द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. So 90 minus 20 is how much? 70 degree. Means complement of this angle is 70 degree. The second part is here 63 degree. So complement of this angle is 90 minus 63. It is how much? 27 degree. So 27 degree is the complement of this second angle. The third one is 57 degree. The complement of this angle is 90 minus 57 degree. It is how much? 23 degree. Sorry, 33 degree. Alright, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 3, 9. So the 33 degree is the complement of this angle. So this is your question number first. So this is your next second question. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. So second question की लिखा है कि तो सी angle the supplement find करना. Supplement means the sum of two angle is measure 180 degree. मतलब दो angles का sum का measure 180 degree होगा. So that is called as supplementary angles. If one of angle is given, then you have to find the supplement of this angle. So supplement means you have to find the other angle such that its sum is equal to 180 degree. So the first angle is here 105. So the supplementary of 105 is what? You have to subtract this 105 from 180. So how much? It is 10 minus 5, 5, 75 degree. So 75 degree is the supplement of this first angle. Now second is angle given here 87 degree. You have to find the supplement of this. So you have to subtract 87 from 180. It is what? 93 degree. Alright. 10 minus 17, 17 minus 8, 9. So 93 degree is the supplement of this second angle. The third one is at 154 degree. So supplementary is what? 180 minus 154. It is 6. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. It is 26 degree. So 26 degree is the supplementary of this 154 degree angle. So this is your question number second. Next, this is question number third. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So question से लिखा है कि केड़ा pairs इन्हां दे विचों supplementary ने और केड़े complementary ने. So complementary is that angle in which sum of two angles is 90 degree, and the supplementary is that angle in which sum of measure of two angle is 180 degree. So we have to check that the sum of which pair is 90 and which pair is 180. So the first part is 65 degree and the second angle is 115 degree measure. So we have to add this angle 65 degree plus 115 degree. How much? 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 180 degree. So the measure of two angle, if it is 180 degree, then it is what? It is supplementary angles. The second part is the measure of first angle is 63 and the second is 27. We have to add this angle 63 plus 27, it is 90 degree. Therefore, it is what? Complementary angles. The third one is the measure of first angle is 112 degree and the second one is 68. When you add this angle, we get how much? It is 108 degree. Therefore, it is what? Supplementary angles. The next fourth one is the measure of first angle is 130 degree and the second one is 50. So 130 plus 50, how much? It is again 180. Therefore, supplementary angle. The fifth one is the measure of first angle and second angle. Both are same, 45, 45. So 45 plus 45 degree, how much? It is 90 degrees. So it is a which angle? Complementary angle. So sixth one is the measure of first angle is 80 and second one is 10. So 80 plus 10, how much? It is 90. This is again complementary angles. So this is your question number 3rd. Next, this is question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. So question च लिखा है कि किसी वो angle find करो जेड़ा अपने complement के equal होगा. It means measure of first and second angle, they are both equal. So what is complementary angles? So in which the measure of two angle, sum of measure of two angle is 90 degree. So you can take first angle x and the measure of second angle is also x. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन लिखा है they are equal. मतलब अपने complement के equal ही है. It means first complement to second one and the second one is complement to first one and they are both equal. So you can take measure of both these angles is equal to x. So the measure of first angle is x and second one is also x. Now you can x plus x is equal to 90 degree because they are complement. Now x plus x, how much? 2x is equal to 90 degree or x is what? 19 over 2 because 2 is the coefficient of x. When it goes on right side, it is divided with 90. So 2 कितना था 90? 45. It means measure of one complement angle is 45 degree and the other one is also 45 degree. Okay. So the next fifth question is same as this question number 4. In the question, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So question च लिखा है कि किसी वो angle find करो जेड़ा अपने supplement के equal हो. So the supplementary angles are that angles in which sum of measure of two angle is equal to 180 degree. So you can take again both angle is equal to x degree. तो सी दोनों angles का measure x degree equal ही होगा. Okay. Now x plus x is equal to how much? 180. X plus x 2x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 over 2 is equal to 90 degree. It means measure of one supplement angle is equal to how much? 90 degree. And the other one is also 90 degree because the both angles are what? Equal. So this is your question number 4th and 5th. Thank you.